Michael Bell from Birmingham, Alabama, a graduate of Carver High School here in Birmingham. My dad was a principal for Birmingham City Schools, and my mom was a nurse at Mayfair Medical at Children's Hospital. I was born and raised right here in Birmingham, Alabama. I graduated from Carver High School in 2005. While I was there, I was heavily involved in ROTC and student government. After graduating from high school, I went on to Jacksonville State University, where I majored in mass communications and public relations. I came back to Birmingham because I wanted to hit the ground running and serve my community. I worked for the state of Alabama for a number of years. After that, I became a college professor and served colleges around the city and around the state of Alabama. One of my favorite passions and hobbies is music. At a young age, I taught myself how to play piano and keyboard by ear. One of my favorite things to do is every Sunday, I go to churches in the Birmingham area and play piano during praise and worship. This is a way for me to combine two of my biggest passions in life, music and faith. My parents had a huge impact on my life because they taught me the value of integrity, honesty, courage, and not giving up when you have goals that you want to pursue. They taught me the value of hard work, the value of giving back, the value of helping people who can't help themselves. My call to law was probably a little bit more personal in the fact that, back in 1981, my granddad was diagnosed with brain cancer, and for the most part, most people would attribute that their brain tumor came from environmental contamination in the area that they lived in Collegeville in Birmingham, Alabama, from the smokestacks and the factories, the iron factories over in that area. And so when you lived over there for 80 years, had people who've lost loved ones because of environmental things like that, or people have died in accidents. And so for me, it was a personal call into the legal field, the legal profession.